How much should you really spend on garage door lubricant? Cheap bottles promise quiet doors but then gum up in winter. Expensive ones claim to last forever, yet some still leave sticky messes. The truth is, price doesn't always mean performance. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually deliver. Product number 1, Lubricant Dual Application Kit. First up is Lubricant's door, lock, and hinge lubricant, a 4.5-ounce combo pack with a dropper and needle tip. At $20.58, it's pricier than most, but what caught my eye was its extreme cold performance. If you want a lubricant that won't freeze solid in your unheated garage during winter, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Standard oils thicken or seize below 32 degrees F, leaving your garage door jerky and loud. But Lubricant works down to minus 55 degrees F. That's colder than most freezers. It also creates a moisture-resistant barrier that fights rust on tracks and hinges, which is huge if you live in humid or snowy areas. Now, some people complained about the price feeling high for just 4.5 ounces. Here's the thing though, you're not just buying oil, you're buying precision and reliability in harsh conditions. If you've ever been stuck outside because your garage door froze shut, you'll appreciate that extra cost. This is perfect for you if you live in a cold climate or have an older garage door with tight tolerances. Skip this one if you only need occasional indoor hinge fixes. It's overkill for bedroom doors. Still, for long-term protection and winter readiness, it's solid value. Product number 2, Lubricant Silicone Precision Oil. Next is Lubricant's 2-ounce silicone lubricant at $11.57, half the size and nearly half the price of Lubricant. What stood out immediately was the built-in nozzle storage. If you want clean, drip-free application without losing tiny parts, this one's a smart pick. Silicone-based lubes like this don't attract dust or harden over time, which means your garage door track stays smooth longer. The needle tip lets you target exact spots, like between roller wheels or along the rail grooves, without coating your floor in grease. And because it's odorless and non-toxic, you won't be breathing fumes while working in a closed garage. Over 600 people bought this last month, likely drawn by its simplicity and safety. Now, some users noted it's not ideal for heavy-duty industrial use. It lacks the extreme cold resistance of petroleum-based oils. Here's the thing though, for most homeowners in mild to moderate climates, that's not a deal breaker. It's designed for daily household maintenance, not Arctic garages. This is perfect for you if you prioritize cleanliness, indoor safety, and easy reapplication. Skip this one if you're dealing with severely rusted or frozen mechanisms. It won't penetrate as deeply as penetrating oils. But for regular upkeep, great value. Product number 3, CRC Heavy Duty Silicone Spray. Now we've got CRC's 11-ounce silicone spray, no price listed but typically under $10. It's a no-frills industrial option that's sold over 1,000 units recently. If you want maximum coverage for large garage doors or multiple vehicles, this is the budget workhorse. The big advantage here is volume. It leaves no residue, so your concrete floor won't turn into a slip hazard, and it repels water effectively. Great for coastal areas where salt air accelerates rust. Now the obvious flaw, it's a spray. That means overspray risk, get it on your car paint or siding and you'll regret it. Also, without a precision tip, it's harder to target small components like lock cylinders. Some users also report it evaporates faster than oil-based formulas in hot climates. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with masking and only spray on dry days, the coverage outweighs the mess. Just don't use it near open flames. Silicone sprays are flammable. This is perfect for you if you maintain multiple doors or need bulk lubrication fast. Skip this one if you hate cleanup or have delicate surfaces nearby. For sheer volume and efficiency, it's hard to beat. Product number 4, DEWALT Biodegradable Penetrating Oil. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one takes a completely different approach. DEWALT's 3-in-1 biodegradable oil at $16.72. Made from soy, it's eco-friendly and professional grade. If you want a lubricant that loosens stuck parts and protects long-term, this stands out. Once applied, it leaves a film that lasts up to 10 times longer than traditional oils, so you're not reapplying every month. Plus, it resists water washout, making it great for rainy regions. Over 100 buyers recently chose this, likely pros or serious DIYers. Now the downside, it's not silicone, so it can attract a bit more dust over time. And at 8 fluid ounces, you get less volume than CRC. Some users also wish it came with a better applicator. The bottle isn't precision designed. Here's the thing though, if your garage door has sticky rollers or corroded brackets, this will actually fix the root problem, not just mask noise. It's an investment in longevity. This is perfect for you if you're restoring an old door or want sustainable performance. Skip this one if you only need quick squeak fixes, it's more than you need. But for mechanics and detail-oriented homeowners, excellent value. Product number 5, Netley Multi-Purpose Mineral Oil. Finally, Netley's 4.4-ounce mineral oil kit at $10.28. It includes a precision needle bottle and claims to be a 3-in-1 solution. If you want an affordable, all-around lube that works on doors, locks, and even car parts, this is a strong contender. Mineral oil is gentle yet effective. It won't degrade rubber seals on garage door components, unlike some synthetics. And it's non-toxic, so safe around kids and pets. With a flash point of 190 degrees C, it's stable under normal conditions. Now the catch, mineral oil doesn't resist water as well as silicone or synthetic blends. In humid or wet environments, it may wash off faster, requiring more frequent reapplication. A few buyers also mention the bottle feels flimsy compared to metal or rigid plastic alternatives. And at this price, you can afford to reapply seasonally without guilt. This is perfect for you if you want a safe, simple lube for everyday maintenance. Skip this one if you live near the ocean or in heavy rain zones. For basic, worry-free lubrication, great bang for your buck. So which one wins? For extreme cold, go Liquidifix. Need clean, safe indoor use, Lemonia. Want bulk coverage, CRC. Restoring old hardware, DWLT. On a tight budget with simple needs, Netley. No single lube does it all, but one of these is definitely right for your garage. Drop your door type and climate in the comments, I'll help you pick.